Welcome to today's video where we'll uncover the 10 oatmeal mistakes you must avoid for better health. Have you ever wondered why your morning oatmeal isn't giving you the energy or health benefits it promises? Surprisingly, millions of people around the world are making small yet critical mistakes with their oatmeal that may be quietly sabotaging their well-being. In fact, global dietary studies show that more than 65% of regular oatmeal eaters unknowingly make at least 3 of these mistakes every single day. Yes, even a seemingly healthy breakfast like oatmeal can work against you if you're not preparing it the right way. What if just a few simple changes to your oatmeal routine could help you boost energy, improve digestion, and support weight management? In this video, you'll discover the 10 most common oatmeal mistakes and how to fix them. Some are so common, you may not even realize you're making them. Now let's get started. Mistake 1. Ignoring healthy fats. One of the most common oversights in oatmeal preparation is skipping healthy fats. While oats are a great source of complex carbs and fiber, they're naturally low in fat, especially the kinds your body needs to absorb key nutrients. Healthy fats are essential for the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins A, D, E, and K. Without them, even the most nutrient-dense meal can fall short in delivering those vital micronutrients. In fact, a study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids not only enhance nutrient absorption, but also support cardiovascular health, reduce systemic inflammation, and promote brain function. Healthy fats also slow down digestion, which helps you feel full longer and stabilizes your blood sugar, preventing energy crashes later in the day. Easy ways to add healthy fats to your oats. Sprinkle flax seeds, chia seeds, or hemp seeds for a dose of omega-3s and fiber. Add a tablespoon of natural nut butter like almond or peanut butter for creaminess and sustained energy. Top with a handful of crushed walnuts or sliced almonds, which also offer additional protein and minerals. For an even greater anti-inflammatory boost, try drizzling a bit of cold-pressed extra virgin olive oil, yes, even in sweet oatmeal. It pairs surprisingly well with cinnamon and berries. Skipping these fats can lead to early hunger, poor satiety, and reduced nutrient uptake. Including them not only makes your oatmeal more satisfying, but transforms it into a truly complete, balanced meal. Mistake 2. Adding too much sugar. It's easy to go overboard when sweetening your oatmeal, especially with common choices like brown sugar, maple syrup, or honey. But when used excessively, these turn what should be a nourishing breakfast into a dessert-like sugar bomb. Just 2 tablespoons of brown sugar can add around 100 calories and 24 grams of sugar, which is nearly the same sugar content as a can of soda. This sudden sugar surge causes a rapid spike in blood glucose, followed by a crash, often leading to fatigue, mood swings, and mid-morning cravings. Worse still, over time, regularly spiking your blood sugar can contribute to insulin resistance, a condition that makes it harder for your body to manage glucose effectively, raising the risk of weight gain and metabolic issues like type 2 diabetes. A healthier alternative? Use fresh fruits like berries or bananas to add natural sweetness and fiber. Sprinkle cinnamon or nutmeg for flavor and blood sugar support. If you enjoy honey or maple syrup, stick to just a teaspoon. A little goes a long way. Mistake 3. Skipping protein. Oats are high in fiber and complex carbs, but they lack protein. Skipping protein in your oatmeal can lead to early hunger, less muscle repair, and energy dips. Protein supports tissue repair, immune health, and muscle maintenance, especially important if you're active. Research from the Journal of Obesity and Metabolic Syndrome found that protein at breakfast increases satiety and reduces overall calorie intake. Easy protein add-ins: Greek yogurt, protein powder, nut butter, or seeds like chia and hemp. These stabilize blood sugar and help you stay full longer. Mistake 4. Using flavored instant oats. Flavored instant oats are marketed as quick and convenient, but they come with a cost. Most are packed with added sugars, artificial flavors, and preservatives. Some contain up to 12 to 15 grams of sugar per serving, almost 4 teaspoons. Instant oats are also more processed than traditional oats, which raises their glycemic index. This means they spike your blood sugar faster and digest more quickly, leaving you hungry again soon after. A study published in Pediatrics found that high glycemic breakfasts like instant oats lead to increased hunger and overeating later in the day. What to do instead? Choose plain rolled oats or steel-cut oats and flavor them naturally with fruit, cinnamon, or a touch of raw honey. Mistake 5. Not soaking your oats overnight. One of the most overlooked steps in oatmeal preparation is soaking your oats overnight. Many think it's just about saving time in the morning, but it's actually about boosting nutrition. Soaking activates an enzyme called phytase, which helps break down phytic acid, an anti-nutrient that blocks the absorption of important minerals like iron, zinc, and calcium. According to research in the Journal of Food Science and Technology, soaking oats for 12 hours significantly reduces phytic acid, improving mineral absorption. It's easy to do. Just mix your oats with water, milk, or almond milk in a 1-to-2 ratio and let them sit in the fridge overnight. By morning, they'll be creamier, easier to digest, and gentler on your stomach. Top with fruit, nuts, or cinnamon for a breakfast that's both delicious and nourishing. Mistake 6. Overcooking your oats. Cooking oats may seem simple, but overdoing it can strip them of their nutritional value and alter the texture. When oats are cooked too long or at high heat, their complex carbs break down into simpler sugars, leading to blood sugar spikes. This can leave you feeling tired and hungry soon after. Overcooked oats also lose their satisfying chew, turning into a bland, mushy paste. A study in the British Journal of Nutrition confirms that overcooking grains increases their glycemic index, contributing to insulin resistance and energy crashes. Instead, cook oats on medium heat. Aim for a chewy, not mushy consistency. Steel-cut or rolled oats hold up best. Use a 2-to-1 liquid-to-oats ratio, stir occasionally, and remove from heat as soon as they're tender. Mistake 7. Adding artificial creamers. While artificial creamers may make your oatmeal creamy, they also come with unwanted baggage, like hydrogenated oils, trans fats, and artificial sweeteners such as sucralose and acesulfame potassium. A study in Diabetes and Metabolic Syndrome, Clinical Research and Reviews links trans fats to higher risks of heart disease and inflammation. Additives like carrageenan, used as a thickener, have also been linked to gut distress. Combined with added sugars, these creamers can turn your healthy oatmeal into a processed sugar bomb. For a better option, switch to unsweetened almond milk, coconut milk, or a splash of whole milk. These offer creaminess without the harmful ingredients, supporting both heart and digestive health. Mistake 8. Forgetting to add fruits. Skipping fruit is a major missed opportunity. Fresh fruits provide vitamins, antioxidants, and natural sweetness, elevating your oatmeal from simple to supercharged. A study in nutrition, metabolism, and cardiovascular diseases found that regular fruit consumption lowers the risk of heart disease and diabetes. Berries like blueberries and strawberries are rich in antioxidants, while bananas add natural sweetness and creaminess. Apples, slightly cooked before adding, bring a warm, caramelized touch. Don't skip the fruit. It's one of the easiest ways to maximize both the flavor and nutrition of your breakfast bowl. Mistake 9. Using water instead of milk or nut milk. Cooking oats with just water? You're missing out on valuable nutrients. While water hydrates, it doesn't contribute protein, healthy fats, or vitamins. Using milk or nut milk adds richness and nutritional depth. Dairy milk supplies calcium, vitamin D, and protein, important for bones and muscles. Nut milks like almond and oat milk add vitamin E and healthy fats, while keeping it dairy-free. This swap not only improves flavor, but also balances macronutrients, giving you longer-lasting energy. Mistake 10. Eating too quickly. Rushing through your oatmeal might seem harmless, but it short-circuits your body's fullness signals. Eating too fast can lead to overeating, bloating, and poor digestion. Research in nutrients shows that slower eating enhances digestion, improves nutrient absorption, and helps with weight control. Take your time, chew slowly, pause between bites, and savor your food. You'll feel more satisfied, and your digestion will thank you. Final thoughts. So are you making any of these oatmeal mistakes? If so, Which one surprised you the most? And are you planning to change it? Share your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. And if you found this helpful, type yes in the comment box. That small action really motivates us to keep bringing you science-backed tips for better health. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video. Thanks for watching. Until next time, stay healthy and eat smart.